Hello and welcome back to my channel Computer and Internet Do's and Don'ts. Today I want to discuss how to install the latest build of Kodi on your Windows computer. Kodi is an app that allows you to watch and record live TV, all from an easy-to-use interface. It works with a number of popular backends including Media Portal, Myth TV, Next PVR, Tvedent and many more. Kodi isn't just for passive entertainment media. You can also play games on Kodi. You can run Kodi on almost any device including Windows, Linux, Android and Fire Stick. The latest build is 21.1 code named Omega. In this video, I will show you how to install Kodi 21.1 on your Windows computer.